Why, hello. I was just enjoying a good read about the legend of the Cincinnati Ark. What? You've never heard of the Cincinnati Ark? Well, come. Let's explore the Cincinnati Ark together and learn about its creation. But first, a little introduction into the city for which the Ark is named.
Cincinnati, also known as the Queen City, is in an urban setting found in southwest Ohio. A picturesque landscape and a breathtaking skyline. Cincinnati is home to two sports teams: the Bengals and the Reds. They are also famously known for chili and Grater's ice cream, as recommended by Dr. Bice.
It all started 460 million years ago, when the tectonic orogeny resulted in a drastic change in the landscape throughout Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. As the surface of the earth buckled and shifted, an arch began to form, and the geologic story of the region began. The Cincinnati Arch is widely known as one of the more unique features in the state of Ohio, and due to extensive research, its formation is well understood. The arch is an important structure to the overall story of the area's geologic history, despite how simple it appears to the untrained eye. Although the Cincinnati Arch looks like an anticline, the structure is actually much more complex. Just like every good story, the formation of the arch consists of more than meets the eye.
The Cincinnati Ark was created through a collision between a volcanic arc and the eastern portion of the Laurentius supercontinent. During the late Ordovician, roughly 460 million years ago, from today's perspective, this collision would have occurred in North America along an eastward-dipping subduction zone. This collision triggered a series of focalized stresses between both the Grenville Front, a boundary between the rocks of eastern and western Ohio, and the eastern granite rhyolite province, a portion of the Illinois basin with a Precambrian basement, which in turn created a stably fixed peripheral bulge. This peripheral bulge is known today as the Cincinnati Arc. This stably fixed position of the arc has been suggested to be the result of inherited structural weaknesses or underlying lithospheric heterogeneities, meaning that the weaker regions of the lithosphere bends more easily than the stiffer regions. Therefore, the bending of the plate becomes concentrated within the weak zone and the fixed position ensues, even with the bordering subsiding basins of the Appalachian Basin to the east, the Michigan Basin to the north, and the Illinois Basin to the west. The end. Thanks for listening. Some good cocoa.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.